Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Welcome back, beauties, or a super special welcome to anybody who is new. It's Bella, and today I'm going to be sharing an exciting Christmas clean and bake with me. We're going to be making some delicious sugar cookies that I know you will just love. And there's even more love to go around in this video because I'm partnering up with my amazing friend Josie to spread even more Christmas cheer. Josie is the stay-at-home mom of one sweet little toddler, and we do very similar homemaking content, cleaning, organizing, decorating, but something extra cool about Josie is that her family just moved from their fixer-upper to their dream home in New York, so if you love room makeovers as well, her channel will be your cup of tea. And Josie is such an incredible and supportive friend to me every single day, so it would mean the world to me if right after you're done here, you'll head over and watch her video and support her journey as well. And if you're here from Josie's channel, first of all, thank you so much. I have a little 15-month-old and I love doing everything homemaking. It is my #1 passion and I just love sharing it with everybody here. So I hope that you'll stick around and be a part of our amazing community.
Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore.
And we are kicking things off in the living room today. It just needed to be straightened up. It wasn't too bad, but then we're gonna jump right into baking our Christmas cookies. If you're new here and you haven't seen my Christmas clean and decorate, I would encourage you to go check that out so that you can see everything in more detail.
Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him.
Alright, so for this recipe, it is super easy. You only need 5 things, just some vegetable oil, some white cake mix, some vanilla extract, 1 egg, and some sprinkles. And what I really like about this is you can just switch out the sprinkles and make this any time of year. You want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and then line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Now in a large bowl, you want to mix together 15 1/4 ounce white cake mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want to mix it all together.
Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid.
After you've mixed all of your ingredients, you want to fold in 1/2 cup of sprinkles.
The Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
And make sure that if you end up making this, that you tag me over on Instagram at Bella_Ariana127 so that I can see your finished cookies. I absolutely love it. It just makes my day when somebody tags me in a recipe that I made and they made it too and they love it. So make sure that you do that, and also let me know what other things I should bake this Christmas.
Good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Next, you want to put 1/2 cup of sprinkles in a bowl and keep that really close because we're about to use it. Now roll your dough into balls about the size of a tablespoon and roll them in the sprinkles that we just set aside and place them about 2 inches apart on a cookie sheet. I ended up making my dough balls just a little bit too big because we had so much dough left over from our cookies last week that I didn't want a repeat of that. And also, if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and look at it because those were super yummy too, and I know that you'll just love those cookies as well. These cookies are just a more simpler, more Christmas cookie type of deal, if you know what I mean. And these can also, like I said earlier, be made multiple times a year for just different occasions, and that's why I just love them so much. And I know that I'll be making these for upcoming holidays as well. And a quick reminder, if you like seeing recipes in my cleaning videos, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And I've been loving doing all these recipes, and I would love to continue to do them for you. So just let me know, and also if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments.
My winter wonderland.
Now you want to bake your cookies for 7 to 10 minutes. I had to bake mine a little bit longer because I did make them a little bit too big. And you want to let them cool for a few minutes. If you have a wire rack, it would be a lot easier because they took a little bit longer to cool as well. And here are our finished cookies, and they taste so good and they're so cute. Again, tag me on Instagram if you end up making these cookies. I would love to see them. I had a ton of fun baking cookies, and now it's time to clean up the mess. And I would encourage you right now, if you haven't gotten up yet, just get up and clean with me because now it is the cleaning section of this video. So let's do this. You guys are about to laugh so hard at me because I could not for the life of me get this pan back in the drawer under the oven, and I was struggling so much, and I had to pull everything out in order to get this pan in, and I decided to leave it in because it is so funny. It's like, get it together, Bella, just put the pan in the drawer. Now that I've done the impossible task of putting the cookie sheet away, I'm just going to clear off all the counter spaces, just get everything into the sink and everything back where it needs to go. I like clearing the countertops first because it's like instant motivation. I just feel like I can keep going and everything is just more satisfying. And now it's time to do some dishes, and there are a bunch of stuck on messes, so it's going to be extra satisfying today. At the time that you're seeing this video, it is the week of Thanksgiving, and that is just crazy. This year just flew by, and I want to know, what are your family traditions? What do you do? Do you cook? Do you go to somebody else's house? We always go to my cousin's house, and then my family always hosts Christmas Eve, and I love getting a peek into your life, so just let me know in the comments, what are your traditions? And on a similar note, can you believe that it is so close to 2022? I honestly can't even believe it. I don't know where these last 2 years have gone, but I am very hopeful for the year 2022. I'm very excited, and I have a lot of exciting stuff coming up on this channel. And also, I want to make content that you guys really want to see. So just take a second, go down to the comments, and just let me know what you would just absolutely love to see coming up on this channel. And now it's time to load the dishwasher, and I make it a point to say that because my OGs will tell you how much I am in love with having a dishwasher again. Our last house did not have one, and I didn't realize how much I missed it until I moved in here and I got my dishwasher back, and it was just so much more convenient. And I know that that is super silly, so let me know in the comments, what is your must-have appliance? Still have to hand dry my silverware though. I got this stuff from Target and it is gold, and I love that. But if I put it in the dishwasher, the gold on one of my spoons in particular has chipped off, and now it's pretty much just gray, or it's like way more dull than the rest of the spoons. But I'm not gonna go and replace it, so I just put him on the bottom. I feel bad for him, and yes, it's a him. I have a lot of empathy for my silverware, clearly. But let me know in the comments if you want the link to that silverware, because I do recommend it. And I had a couple of bottles I had to wash too because that's the never-ending story around here. Bottle moms, I know you know how I feel.
This Christmas is mine and yours.
And there's gonna have to be another things you're forgetting to clean type of video coming up because there are a couple spots here that are a little bit neglected that I do want to hit before Christmas. So stay tuned for that because that will be coming.
Relieving me of my stress. Tonight a new life begins. On this Christmas night, I hear an angel choir singing.
And now it's time to get the sink all shiny and clean. I always use dish soap, but I did see this really cool kind of, it's like a baking soda mixture that you can use on the sink from Mrs. Meyer's, and I ended up ordering some, so that will be coming soon, and I'm very excited to share that with you guys. But no matter how you slice it, cleaning the sink is always just so satisfying.
This Christmas is mine. This Christmas is mine and yours. It's cold outside.
Another quick reminder, make sure you head over to Josie's video after we finish up here because her channel has just so much to offer and I know that you'll really love it. We're just adding to our Christmas cookie collection here. And if you're new around here, I'd really love for you to click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications because it really helps small channels like mine grow. And also, just as a reminder, I have an entire Christmas playlist here on my channel for you as well. And I love you guys so much. Bye, beauties.
Everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday